Hey everyone, we are back with yet another video from Tejas Academy. And in this video, we are going to have a discussion regarding some medical abbreviations. We often see different types of abbreviations in case note, and it is very important for health professionals and patients to understand these abbreviations to ensure proper treatment adherence. So let's see some frequency abbreviations for medications that determine or describe the timing and order of administration. Let's begin with the very first one, that is AC. AC means before meals. If it is mentioned in the case note as ACBK, that means before breakfast. Next one is PC, that is after meals. Moving on to the third one, that is Q. Q means every. Q is often followed by the hours of administration. For example, Q2H means every 2 hours. Q3H, which means every 3 hours. Q4H, which means every 4 hours. Moving on to the next one, that is QD or OD, which means daily or once daily. The second one is BID or BD, that means twice daily. The next one is QOD. QOD means every other day or alternate days. Next one is TID. TID means thrice a day or 3 times a day. Other one is QID. QID shows 4 times a day. The next set is PRN. PRN means as required or if required. The next one is X. X shows the number of times. For example, X2 shows 2 times. X3 shows 3 times. And the last one among this frequency abbreviation is STAT. STAT shows immediately. You have to administer that medication immediately. I hope this video will help you people to understand the case note more easily. For more interesting videos like this, follow Tejas Academy. ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.